Hi everyone! This is Stacy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, makikita natin yung fourth flower na binigay ng cactus na to for this year. As you can see in the video, yung flower bud parang may cover siya na shell. And then, it's quite hard when you touch it and it's really shiny. After 3 days, ganito na yung itsura niya. So, may bilog na sa upper part ng flower bud. And yung care tips na bibigay ko sa inyo for cactus is that basta make sure na fast draining yung soil nyo at nakakakuha siya ng whole day sunlight, meaning from morning to afternoon. After 4 days, nag-half bloom na yung flower ng cactus. Ayan, pero nag-worry ako kasi makulimlim yung weather namin today. It might rain in the afternoon, hopefully not. So, kasi remember, yung third flower binigay ng cactus na to did not bloom well kasi nabasa siya ng ulan. So, let's hope and pray na hindi umulan. At kung umulan man, hindi ganun kalakas para hindi mabasa yung flower at mag-full bloom siya. Yung cactus, napakadali niyang alagaan. You don't have to remove any leaves or dried leaves and to watch out for mushy leaves. So, hindi siya high maintenance alagaan. Napakadali. Sometimes we usually ignore them. So, after eto na nga, it finally bloomed and I'm really thankful that we were able to see this beautiful white flower in its full bloom. See? Ang ganda, diba? Hindi nga mahirap alagaan yung cactus. Ang ganda pa na binibigay na flowers. So, ang mahirap lang sa cactus is pag irilipat mo siya kasi you have to use gloves and tongs. Kasi yung spike nga niya or yung tinik, nakakatusok talaga. Yun lang yung mahirap sa kanya. Pero, tsaka yung watch out natin siya pag rainy season, na-overwater talaga siya. Pero so far, wala akong naging problemang pest or something about cactus. So, and it's worth the wait yung mga flowers na binibigay niya. Although, may fourth flower na, and I can see may mga bagong flower bud, merong pang 5th and pang 6th. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, share my video to your family and friends and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. Have a good day.